Forex trading is the largest financial market in the world, with a staggering daily volume of over $7 trillion. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders from all corners of the globe to participate. At its core, Forex involves buying one currency while selling another, typically in pairs like euro to US dollar or pound sterling to Japanese yen. Traders aim to predict price movements to make a profit. You don't need to be a bank to trade Forex. Individuals and businesses do it too. There are day traders who capitalize on quick price changes and swing traders who hold positions for longer periods. To get started, learn the basics, choose a reliable broker, and practice on a demo account. Remember to develop a solid trading strategy and manage your risks carefully. While Forex offers high liquidity and low starting capital, it also comes with risks that require skill and discipline.